Okay, the tools of the trade. You are going to get the resources that you need to go from zero to leads in 24 hours. We're going to teach you how to build a homes list ad using Facebook lead forms and your Facebook ad manager. And I will be able to teach you that in about an hour and a half to 2 hours tops. You will literally be able to generate leads very rapidly. Now, there are other aspects of lead generation in this course that are going to require some tools. Some of them have fees. We do make a small percentage of them, but you're going to need them regardless if we were going to benefit from them or not, because this is what we use internally for all of our done-for-you clients. So as a precursor, we do make a few dollars, but you're going to need them anyway. So it makes sense to purchase through our links. So we're going to teach you, well, first you're going to need ClickFunnels. You're going to need LionDesk. As of right now, next month, our Connect by PropertyScope launches. You'll have access to that CRM. We use tools like Canva to do some videos, like to edit images for the ads that we use. It's like $12 a month. You're going to need Zapier. Zapier is free up to a certain amount of zaps, which is an automated process to connect information from one software to another. Wufoo is a form builder, which is going to allow you to, when we set up the CRM follow-up sequence for you, is going to allow you to send out a short linked web form that says, hey, thanks for giving us your information after they opt in. And we need a little bit more information to set you up on a property search. So we're going to get their name. I mean, we already got their name, email, and phone number. What we're going to get from them is, when are you looking to move? How much are you looking to buy? What areas are you looking to buy in? Are you currently working with a realtor? Are you currently working with a lender? And what's your approximate credit score? With our sequencing, we convert anywhere from 18 to 24% of our leads will give us that information back. So that's like a $29 tool. Most of these have a free 30-day trial as well. But Buffer is a tool that we use to post content on an automated process, because we try to automate our entire process for most of our stuff. Bitly is a free tool, which is a URL shortener. In other words, we can take a property search from your IDX website that might be this freaking long, copy it and paste it into Bitly. It'll spit out a bit.ly / a 6-digit code that you can post in use to put in your posts. Makes it shorter, makes it cleaner, makes it much neater. And then from there, we're going to teach you how to build your community page, which there's no fee for, and then obviously your Facebook ad manager. We'll teach you how to set that up as well. So let me reiterate: you will be able to go from zero to leads in 24 hours using nothing but Facebook ad manager, lead forms, and LionDesk, or a copy of your a version of your CRM that you currently use, and Zapier. Those three tools will allow me to show you an entire process. The rest of them, I'm going to walk you through video by video. We're initially going to set up every account in each one of these tools before we go forward, because I want you guys to have an understanding of how each one of these tools work, why we use them, and how they're going to fit into the next steps in the process. From here, we're going to go into the zero to leads in 24 hours. That'll be the first campaign that I teach you guys. That will generate leads for you on a rapid basis in succession, almost immediately. Within the first 24 hours. But those are only going to be name, email, and phone number leads. There's not going to be any post engagements. There's not going to be any conversation starters. That's a give me your lead and move on type lead. Our post engagement ads, which we're going to teach you to build with the other tools, ClickFunnels, LionDesk, Canva, and Zapier, and Wufoo, are going to be the leads that are going to allow you to start building relationships, building an audience, and basically building a sales funnel business with your community page. Imagine this. Doing the process with ClickFunnels we're going to build you 500, 1,000, 5,000 likes over the lifetime of you owning this community page. And then what happens, every time you make a post about a property, you're organically going to be shown, that content's organically going to be shown to your audience without you having to pay very much. So having 1,000 people that like your page that you didn't have to pay for, that are actually people that were interested in purchasing a home at one time or another, you're going to start to see a large percentage of those people actually get to see your posts without you having to boost and without you having to pay. That's the imperative part of the building the audience section versus just buying leads. You're going to convert better. You're going to get better engagement. You're going to build relationships, and you're going to build your referral business 1,000 times faster and greater than you would with just generating the zero to leads in 24 hours. You're going to get both, but I want you to understand there are some tools involved in this, and there is a bit of a learning curve. So stick with me. You have no idea how excited I am, because the value that we're offering this, it's taken me a decade to build. It's taken me 20,000 hours of my life to learn. And you're going to get to do it in the matter of 24 hours for something that I've spent literally I can guarantee I've spent over $250,000 in the last decade. I managed to spend about $30,000 to $50,000 a year on educating myself in these processes, right? So that I could teach others to do the same thing and do it done for you service. So you're going to get the benefit of all of that for $200 a month. Or if you're in the special, if you're outside the special, it's $300 a month. But you will literally change your entire business. I don't care if you're a loan officer who wants to build like referral partners with your lead with realtors. If you're a realtor looking to build your real estate business, if you're a contractor of any kind, plumber, electrician, if you're an insurance agent, if you're a life insurance person, if you rely on a realtor as a referral partner, this product or this service that we're this sales funnel system that we're teaching you will teach you to generate leads at minimal dollars. We're talking $2, $3, $4 tops to generate a lead, to being able to go out to a realtor and say, hey, I'd like to give you a couple leads a week in exchange for the opportunity to serve your clients with our service as well. So I'm going to drop this with you. The next video is going to be ClickFunnels. Then we'll go into LionDesk, Zapier, and on down the line. We're going to set up each one of these accounts one by one before we get into any campaigns, because I need you to understand how to use the tools before you can understand how to build the system. Does that make sense? Awesome. I'll see you over the top. Just don't quit. Let's do it.